Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me the new Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 mobile phone, and in this video I will show you how to use this volume up key to receive the call and use this side key to end the call. So how to enable these two keys? So first of all, you have to open the phone, and here you see this phone icon, this green color icon. Just select it. So once you select it, the phone menu will open, and here on the right side, the top right corner, you see these three dots. Just select it. So once you select it, here you see this option of settings. Just select the settings option, so the call settings menu will open. Okay, and here you see an option of answering and ending calls. Okay, just select it. So once you select it, the answering and ending calls menu will open, and here you see this option of press volume up to answer calls. Just enable it. And the second one is press side key to end calls. Just select it. Just enable it. Okay, so both of these keys are now enabled. So everything is done now. So I will go back and I will try to call on this number. Okay, so I will close it. Okay, and then I will call on this number. Okay, so now I have this call. So what I will do, I press this volume up key. Okay, so I will press it. So now you can see the call is now received. Okay, now I want to end this call. I can just press this side key. Okay, so I will just press it. Okay, so you can see the call is now ended. Okay, with the seconds, everything is showing over here. So everything is done. So this is how you can use this side key and this volume up key for answering and ending calls. So guys, this is for today's video. I hope you liked the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.